Hey everyone, this is Trackmaster 70. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Trackmaster Sodor Building Company. It came with 3 cars. So here's the front, side, the other side, the bottom, and the back. Let's unbox it. Here's 1, 2, and 3. So what do you think of them? This cargo is carrying some track for the track. It goes under it so the train will use it. And this cargo car, the narrow gauge cargo car, who's carrying the things, who came with Paxton Duncan. Well, you know what I mean. And this third car is carrying bricks. And also it came with those 3 brown tracks. I'm just going to couple them up together so we can get them a 1 on the track. I will use Tommy Thomas to pull this track. So now, let's get this running started. Well, that is a great one with Trackmaster Sodor Building Company. So what do you think though? Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it for this video. Send a comment, press a like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.